as we tackle the basic project documents, plans and techniques for project management. We would now discuss about the overview of its structure through process groups and knowledge areas. This is from PMBOK 6th edition Table 1-4. We have 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas. For each knowledge areas, there are processes allocated in these groups. Let's elaborate it more. Let's make a table in landscape design. We will take some project process to allocate in each knowledge areas and process groups for our example. Firstly, let's talk about process groups. These process groups are in sequential order, which means the other group shall be in order and non-interchangeable, but take note, not necessarily all processes or knowledge areas shall have all 5 process groups. These process groups are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, closing. Now, we have 10 knowledge areas, namely integration management, scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, communication management, risk management, procurement management, and stakeholder management. Remember, in our previous video, we talked about project management plans. Please do not confuse between project plans and project knowledge areas. Project plans are within project knowledge areas and must not take it as synonymous. Moreover, for each project, it is not necessarily all knowledge area will be involved. Knowledge areas are not necessarily in order. Take note, process groups is a phase in a project and knowledge areas are project management subjects. Therefore, project process sequence will be in accordance to project phases. For example, in identifying project stakeholders under project stakeholder management knowledge area and initiating process groups. Project Stakeholder Management Knowledge Area is written as the 10th knowledge area, but identifying project stakeholders come first more than plan scope management. Or, plan schedule management comes first before control schedule. Again, process group are stages or phases of the project, and knowledge areas are not necessarily involved in all projects. Project processes are sequential as per process group. In our next video, we will tackle about ITOs or inputs, tools and techniques, outputs of each processes. Great job! See you in next videos.